In this video, we embark on a captivating journey to unravel the notion that the conventional methods of generating income are undergoing a profound and transformative shift. The very fabric of our financial world is evolving, and with it, the age-old concept of making money is being redefined in ways we couldn't have fathomed just a few years ago. This transformation raises pertinent questions about the future of the middle class, once viewed as the backbone of economic stability and upward mobility. Will it continue to flourish in this new era, or is it facing unforeseen challenges that demand adaptation? As we explore this phenomenon, we'll take a step back in time to understand how the middle class emerged and what it symbolized throughout the 20th century. This historical context will provide invaluable insights into the changes we are currently witnessing. Today, we grapple with a complex reality. Issues such as widening income inequality, the relentless integration of automation and artificial intelligence into our workforce, and a dynamically shifting job market are redefining the landscape for millions. 1. A glimpse into history. Before we plunge headfirst into the current landscape, let's embark on a fascinating journey back in time, a journey that will unveil the roots of the middle class and what it symbolized during the dynamic and transformative 20th century. This historical exploration is not just a trip down memory lane. It's a key to understanding the significant shifts occurring today. Picture a world emerging from the shadows of the Great Depression, a world rebuilding after the devastation of World War II. It was a time when economic stability and the promise of a better future became increasingly attainable for millions. The concept of the middle class took center stage, representing not just financial security, but the pursuit of the American dream and its global equivalents. The middle class was the heartbeat of progress, with home ownership, secure employment, and a comfortable life. It was a symbol of a society where dreams had the potential to become reality. But as we delve deeper into the present, we'll see how this emblematic middle class is now navigating turbulent waters, adapting to new challenges, and redefining the very essence of what it means to achieve success in the 21st century. 2. The challenges we face today. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in a world drastically altered from the one that saw the middle class at the zenith of economic stability. The once reliable middle class, the very essence of financial security, is now navigating a treacherous path marked by a set of challenges that are nothing short of extraordinary. In an era where income inequality has reached staggering levels, the very foundations of economic stability appear to be trembling. Jobs that were once secure are being transformed and, in some cases, replaced by the relentless march of automation and artificial intelligence. The job market, which was once a landscape of predictable careers and lifelong employment, is now a dynamic, ever-shifting terrain. For many, the dream of home ownership, once a symbol of middle-class achievement, seems increasingly out of reach. As healthcare, education, and the basic cost of living continue to rise, it's a harsh reality that the middle class is often caught in a financial squeeze, struggling to maintain the lifestyle they had once aspired to. Yet, this isn't a story of despair. Rather, it's a tale of resilience and adaptation. As we move forward, we'll explore the innovative solutions and strategies that are emerging to help the middle class navigate these turbulent waters and thrive in an evolving economic landscape. 3. Income inequality and automation. Rising income inequality, the relentless march of automation, and the swiftly evolving job market are the three seismic forces reshaping our economic landscape in the 21st century. Each of these factors, individually and collectively, presents a unique challenge to the traditional idea of making money and the role of the middle class in our society. Income inequality has soared to levels not seen in decades, where a small fraction of the population amasses vast wealth while a significant portion struggles to make ends meet. This economic disparity not only strains the social fabric, but also raises questions about the fundamental fairness of our economic systems. Automation, driven by advancements in technology, has begun to redefine the nature of work. Many routine and manual jobs are increasingly automated, leading to both job displacement and opportunities for more advanced, technologically oriented roles. As automation accelerates, it becomes imperative to reskill and adapt to stay relevant in the job market. The job market itself is evolving at a pace never before witnessed. Long-term employment with a single company is becoming a relic of the past, and the gig economy, freelance work, and remote employment are on the rise. Job security, once a hallmark of the middle class, is now uncertain for many. 4. The way forward. Amid these formidable challenges, there's a silver lining that shines with promise. It's important to note that it's not all doom and gloom in the ever-evolving world of finances. In fact, we're on the cusp of a transformative era where ingenuity and adaptability open up a world of possibilities. The path forward involves exploring innovative solutions and strategies to navigate the shifting economic landscape effectively. These solutions include embracing lifelong learning and upskilling to stay competitive in a job market that rewards adaptability. It's also about harnessing the power of technology and the digital age to create new income streams and seize entrepreneurial opportunities. Financial literacy is a key component, helping individuals and families make informed decisions about their money, investments, and financial goals. Moreover, financial planning and prudent saving can provide a safety net in an uncertain world. The age of making money is over serves as a compelling call to action. It challenges us to break free from the old molds and reimagine success. We must adapt, learning new skills, exploring innovative opportunities, and redefining our journeys to prosperity. It's a vivid reminder that change is an inevitable companion on our life's journey, and instead of fearing it, we can harness it as a powerful catalyst for growth and achievement. Embrace change and watch it become a gateway to a brighter financial future. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you envision the future of making money in the middle class? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us for more insightful content. Until next time.